Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who haven't met me yet, hi, I'm Jaya. I'm a flight attendant and certified makeup artist, and welcome to my channel. If you want to watch an easy to follow step-by-step makeup tutorials or are interested about the aviation industry, then subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I'll show you some ways to achieve the perfect winged liner. And here are some of the eyeliners that you can use to achieve this look. The liquid pen eyeliner, the gel liner with angled brush, and the precision brush liquid eyeliner. Now before we start, grab your eyeliner because we're going to do this step by step together. Alright, let's start with the pen eyeliner. Draw a thin line on top of your lash line. You want to make the inner corner to have a thinner layer and the outer part should be thicker. Step 2, just fill in the empty spots. Pro tip, don't completely close your eyes when applying your eyeliner, just look down and relax. You want a smooth canvas while drawing a straight line. If you completely close your eyes, it'll create small lines and you don't want that. Draw a line and connect it to the corner of your lower lash line. You can do it inward or outward. Step 4, drag and connect the liner towards the upper lash line. Final step, draw a tiny line on the edge of your wing for a sharper look. You need to be gentle doing this. And this is how it should look. Now let's try doing the gel liner with angled brush. Step 1, draw a line, or if you're a beginner and you're not comfortable just yet, make some markings in stamping motion. Create a blueprint so you can just easily trace it later on. Pro tip, use the tip of the brush, which means the higher point, to create that perfect line, and it should always touch the skin first. Step 2, trace and fill in the empty spots. Fill in the empty spots in tapping or stamping motion. Step 3, draw a line and connect it to the corner of your lower lash line. You can do it inward or outward. Step 4, drag and connect the liner towards the upper lash line. Fill in the empty spots in tapping or stamping motion. And finally, step 5, draw a tiny line on the edge of your wing to make it look more sharp. And this is how it should look. Now let's try Precision Brush Liquid Eyeliner. Again, step 1, draw a thin line on top of your lash line. Step 2, fill in empty spots. Step 3, draw a line and connect it to the corner of your lower lash line. You can do it inward or outward. Step 4, drag and connect the liner towards the upper lash line. Fill in empty spots in swiping motion. Last step, draw a tiny line on the edge of your wing for a sharper look. Alright, real talk. What would you do if this happens? Or this? Or you just want to even out your wings? Girl, you don't have to do this and look like it.
I got broads in Atlanta.
Girlfriend, this is why you're watching my video. Don't panic, I got you. Aww. Here are some ways to fix your botched eyeliner. Grab a cotton swab and any type of makeup remover, concealer and flat brush and foundation powder. Alright, so dip in the cotton swab to your makeup remover and gently remove the unwanted eyeliner. Flip the swab and use the dry side. Or just completely remove the wing if you're not satisfied. Next step, apply concealer to that specific area in tap, tap, tap motion. Lastly, apply foundation powder. Alright, let's move to this scenario. Grab your eyeshadow and choose the darkest shade and apply it on the eyeliner in back and forth or circular motion. Just repeat this step until the liner is completely not visible. Reapply eyeliner if it's necessary. And voila! Magic! And don't forget your lashes to complete the look. Enjoy and show off that perfect winged liner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again soon on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell for notifications.